HiRevz Media is sponsored by Born to Ride Motorcycle Magazine. Check out borntoride.com. Alright guys, got the Fiat back in the shop and working on it a little bit today and cleaned it up actually yesterday. And we're pulling out this old radio, which is this old Pioneer tape player, which actually worked for me for a long time. And now it's literally falling apart. Like literally the plastic is just cracking and falling apart. So I've got a Bluetooth radio to go in there, which should be much better. We just got to get all this apart and figure out how to do that. All right, guys, so we just unscrewed this, pulled it forward, got this Pioneer radio out. I don't know what an original radio would look like. Luckily, this one does have the correct, pretty much looking wiring for what you would see today. So most of the wires are here. And there's some really, really old labels on Scotch tape or masking tape or something down here. Some of them have fallen off, but this might get us where we need to be. So I'm gonna reconnect some wires here. This one was at least new enough to have RCAs on it. So this was probably put in late 80s maybe. So pretty cool. We'll figure all these wires out. All right, guys, so we got the wires hooked back up. I didn't show you that because it's literally just a rat's nest of wires in here, and we just had to find the wires and make them work and then hook them back up. Somebody just ran different speaker wires, so we were able to find those and hook them up. And then this is like a factory harness piece in here, which we found a positive on and a ground on, and that seems to be working fine. So it's mainly just taking a test light, playing around, figuring out what you can find out, and we're able to make it work. So I'm just gonna get this antenna plugged back in here, if I'm in the right hole. There it goes. So that's in, and I mean, our wiring I think looks a lot better than what was in there. We took out a bunch of crap that was really, really bad. So now it's just bolting this back up in place, but there's the radio. It's not too bad. I tried to get one with dials on it so it doesn't look too new, but this does have Bluetooth and an MP3 player and stuff like that. So it's got a USB plug, charge your phone. But it doesn't look, you know, like a super nice fancy CD player or nothing like that in here. So this should work. Hot rods everywhere. So, got radio done. It's in there, and it looks pretty good. And now that the radio is set back and bolted in place like it's supposed to be, like it's never been that way the whole time I've had it, it actually looks way better. You don't see that top edge, it looks kind of rough. So it made the whole interior look better with having that nice and clean and new. It's good.